What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video, I am indeed going to be unboxing the M4 Pro 14-inch MacBook Pro. Now we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe, drop in a comment down below to let me know that you have, so I can write your name on the subscriber wall of fame. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly mention the spec for the model that I am unboxing in today's video. This is the entry M4 Pro MacBook Pro, which means it comes with a 12-core CPU, a 16-core GPU, 24GB of unified memory, along with 512GB of SSD-based storage. And if you're based here in the United Kingdom, you'll find that this MacBook Pro will set you back £1,999. It's available in two different colors, space black, and as you can see in today's video, I will be unboxing the silver colored MacBook Pro. But that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this MacBook Pro. So on the rear of the box, you will find some pull tabs on the top and bottom. Now pulling away at these and lifting away the lid, we get to see the MacBook Pro placed atop. Now placing this to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included with this MacBook Pro. Now the first of these is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Now within this, you will find a quick start guide which gives you a general overview of software elements like the dock and the menu bar, and it will also point out some of the ports on this MacBook. You'll also find further health and safety details along with further information on our 1-year Apple limited warranty. The next item that comes included with this MacBook Pro is our 2-meter long USB-C to MagSafe 3 power cable. Now this power cable will be used to fast charge this MacBook Pro to 50% in 30 minutes. However, Apple do not include the required power adapter in the box, as you will need to pay an additional £20 for that privilege. As the next item that comes included is our 70-watt USB-C power adapter. Now as I mentioned, you will need to use the 96-watt power adapter in order to fast charge this MacBook Pro. And like previous power adapters, it comes in two parts, so if you'd like to extend the reach of your power cable, then you can purchase the £20 power extension cable and extend the reach of your charger. And last but not least, we have our MacBook Pro. So what else is there for me to say? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am going to be uploading a number of videos showing what it's like to play games on this MacBook, along with testing it and comparing it to other models. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm sure you don't want to be missing out on any of those videos. Make sure you go and hit me up on my social media. I'll leave them linked down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.